Hello team. In this video, I will brief you about remaining sections of the report. Let me start explaining about conclusion of the report. Conclusion of the report should be 250 words and it should discuss about some of the key points that are learned as a part of completing this research report. The first few lines of the document of the report or of the section should consist of some brief introduction to the topic that is done in this research activity. Then some of the important elements or some of the important proposed practices to address the document that can be discussed. Okay. Next, it is very important for you to list some of the key findings of the article and briefly discuss about them. Then finally, it is recommended to you to address the kind of expectations that are mentioned in the introduction part are properly handled and exactly all the achievements of the report are achieved. For example, at initial stage of the document, maybe while writing introduction section, you might be mentioning that the article will be critically reviewed and some of the important issues that are identified, some of the important issues in research writing will be listed out and a set of recommendations will be made to the research author. Maybe this might be the requirement. We want to make some recommendations to the researcher based on the review that we conduct. Okay, so when it is the objective, maybe like we mentioned that the main purpose is achieved. Okay, so we clearly explain it how we achieved it and all the other things, and finally we conclude that all the expectations of the research document are achieved. Okay, that is all about a conclusion section. Then we got one more section called introduction section. It looks similar, but introduction section discusses some brief background details of the research area. Then we discuss about a purpose of the research that we are conducting, the purpose of the report writing, and we clearly uh, list out some of the important elements of the some of the objectives that we are going to achieve as a part of completing this report. Okay, these are few important instructions on writing introduction and conclusion. Guys, after completing this task, it is very important that you people write a journal, a research journal. So just cross check at the end of the template of your like research requirement template. You can see that we write what kind of reports we read, how we plan our work. You got template also, I guess. Just cross check your email. You find how to update about journal information, what kind of the journals that you read, and how you plan your research work, and from what time to what time. Like everything should be mentioned. Okay, so your time frame should be clearly mentioned. Okay, guys. So please work on it and fix it properly. Right? Thank you, guys.